How you doing? I'm Mike from LovejoyAntiques.com, taking a look at a antique full hunter quarter minute repeater constructed in 18 karat solid yellow gold. The case is approximately 54.7 millimeters in diameter, not including the stem and crown, of course. Case is approximately 15.3 millimeters thick. And again, it is a quarter minute repeater. Of course, manual wind. Has the inscription in the case back in the crest of 1910, which is approximately the date of manufacture. As you can see there, it has the case number and hall markings, 750 for the 18 karat yellow gold. It is running well and keeping good time. The bells are chiming appropriately and quite clearly. It's just come back from full inspection and certification from our master watchmaker. It does come with full 1-year warranty from Lovejoy Antiques, as well as free shipping via FedEx worldwide. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the shop at 239-649-7447, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks for watching.